Ping Ping, remember your chores. The kitchen's not going to clean itself.
Ugh!
Now!
I'm going to do such a good job that Mom will be pleased with me. Okay, done! Mom, I smell gas and there's a hissing sound.
I think it could be a gas leak. Did you use the stove?
I only cleaned it and all the greasy rubber tubes below.
Oh, maybe the gas joints were loosened during the cleaning.
What? I'll call the gas hotline.
Don't use your phone here. It's dangerous. I'll open the windows. We better move away from the kitchen.
You are turning off the gas valve?
Yes, as a precaution. Hello, I think there's a gas leak in my home.